fourth, ready to go. They're off stride before the start when storm's coming. So there goes Charlatan Hanover on the outside for the early lead. Beyond the Lens second, and now there goes Possess the Stone, beginning to rush on up on the outside, looking to get into the 2-0. Then there's 2 lanes back to Bucket List Hanover, gets away trotting fourth with Brutal Storm fifth. Then it's Southwind Laredo sixth with Nathaniel. And far back and out of it is Storms Coming, but they head by the first quarter of a mile in 30 seconds even at the paddock turn the first time. So on the inside, Charlatan Hanover parked out there on the outside, coming from Beyond the Lens to challenge. In the 2-0 comes Possess the Stone third. Another 3 lanes back to Bucket List Hanover fourth with Brutal Storm and Southwind Laredo. So they come by the stand for the first time. On the inside, Charlatan Hanover still on the outside comes Beyond the Lens. These two are going at it at the half-mile marker, and they're at that beam in 59-4, 29-4 second quarter. Moving around the clubhouse turn. On the inside, Charlatan Hanover outside, Beyond the Lens second. Just off the speed there comes Possess the Stone. On the inside, Bucket List Hanover four. There goes Southwind Laredo, beginning to move up steadily on the outside fifth, followed in by Brutal Storm outside Nathaniel, and Storms Coming, heading to the 3 quarters. Neither one giving an inch here between the favorite Charlatan Hanover and on the outside Beyond the Lens. 3 quarters in 1:30-2 at 30-3 third panel. Moving around the final turn, and now suddenly Greg Merton, Charlatan Hanover now lets out a notch, putting Beyond the Lens now in the 2-hole. Southwind Laredo on the outside with Possess the Stone and Bucket List Hanover, but they're at the top of the stretch, and it is still the favorite. Charlatan Hanover begins to open up now on Beyond the Lens. Middle of the track comes Southwind Laredo on the outside. This is all Charlatan Hanover wins it going away. And from the outside, coming fast with Southwind Laredo in 2 minutes and 3. Number 4, Charlatan Hanover first to 6. Southwind Laredo was second. It's a photo for the rest in 2 minutes and 3. Finishing third goes to number 2, Bucket List Hanover, and fourth was the 1, Beyond the Lens. Going back to the winner's circle is Charlatan Hanover. 5-year-old son Uncle Peter out of Charlotte Albert by Muscles Yankee, owned by Stasio and DeVita, trained by Nicholas DeVita, driven by Greg Merton.